Hi. Today, we will see how to implement a checkbox in a React Native Android app. React Native is so stupid that it does not even have its own native checkbox. So we have to use an external package for this. The package name is React Native Paper. To install the package, open the command prompt in the root folder of your project. And write this command. Hit enter. The package will be installed in your app. Now, I have opened the app.js file of my React Native project. Let's see the code. First, these are the imports. In the app function, we use the useState function. This function returns two values, a variable and a setter function. Selected is our variable. And isSelected is the setter function. The default value of the selected variable is false. We will use this variable to manage the state of the checkbox button. OK. Now the UI. In a view component, we have a checkbox.item component. The color of the checkbox is green when it is selected. And the color of the checkbox is red when it is unselected. We show a label near the checkbox. We can configure the checkbox position with respect to the label. Leading means the checkbox will be on the left side of the label. And trailing means the checkbox will be on the right side of the label. Then, the status of the checkbox. Write this line as it is. When the checkbox is clicked, we toggle the selected variable and set its state using the isSelected function. We can style the label text like this. Then, we show the current status of the checkbox in a text component like this. OK. And finally, these are the style objects that we have used to decorate the overall page and the checkbox button. For the checkbox, we use the transform attribute to change its size. So the checkbox will appear twice its normal size. We have to do it this way because there is no direct size attribute in the checkbox component. OK. Now, let's run the app and check the result. As you can see, we have a checkbox at the center of the screen. When I turn it on, its color changes. Also, its status is shown below in the text component. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.